Finding the Corona Borealis, which is also known as the Northern Crown. The best time of the year to locate this constellation is in mid-July at around 10:30 p.m. The best way to locate the Northern Crown is to first find the Big Dipper and then look west until you see a constellation of stars that appears to be in the shape of a half circle. At that point, you have now located the Corona Borealis. The four brightest stars in the constellation, the Alpha star is the brightest. It is located 75 light years away. Alpha is composed of two main sequence stars. The primary star is a white main sequence star and has a spectral type of A0V. However, the secondary star is a yellow main sequence star with a spectral type of G5V. The Alpha star has a radial velocity of 1.7. Secondly is the Nusakan star. This star is 112 light years away and is a main sequence star with a spectral class of B8P to 87P. The radial velocity of the Nusakan star is negative 18.7. Third, we have the Zeta Coronae Borealis, which is approximately 220 light years away. It is a main sequence star and has a spectral type of B9V, and it has a radial velocity of negative 19.4. Lastly is the Gamma Coronae Borealis, and it is located 145 light years away. This is a main sequence star with a spectral class of B9V plus A3V, with a radial velocity of negative 15.26. Four of the deepest space objects located in the Coronae Borealis is the Galaxy Cluster RX, the Galaxy Cluster 2065, the Spiral Galaxy 6085, and the Elliptical Galaxy NGC 6086. The myth of the Northern Crown of the Shawnee legend. This one is called the Celestial Sisters. It is based on a night where a nighthawk was hunting for food and he stumbled upon a circular path in the grass with no trail leading into it or out from it. So he decided to stick around, which then he noticed 12 maidens and a silver basket. Eventually, the nighthawk decided to try and go near the maidens, but they all got in the basket and vanished away. So after that, the nighthawk came back night after night until he was able to capture one of the maidens. He later on ended up catching one of the maidens and made her his wife. Until one night, the nighthawk left the maiden to go hunting, and the maiden made a silver basket, just like the first time the nighthawk had saw the maiden. After that, the maiden vanished into the sky, and the nighthawk never saw her again. The star that the maiden supposedly created is Acutus. It is in the constellation Boots. Works cited page.